Alright, it's like actually like, it's like 1 in the morning. We just got back from the boardwalk at Wildwood. I'm in a wetsuit because we just sent, I thought I'd show you guys this real quick. It's pretty cool. We just went in the pool. So I'm soaked. I'm in a wetsuit though. But yeah, it's still the day before. I'm probably gonna film tomorrow and hopefully get the video out tomorrow at 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna have to film in the morning, edit, and get it out by 3. I don't know, hopefully. Okay, so it's the morning now. Last night we were at the boardwalk. I didn't film anything yesterday until like we were in the pool at like 1 a.m. But we went to the boardwalk yesterday. Then we took the convertible home, and then we went swimming. But now it's the morning and we're heading to the nature trail. I think we're gonna take the convertible. I don't know which one we're taking, but we're gonna go to the nature trail and then we're going out to eat at a buffet. So hopefully we'll do something fun at the nature trail.
And I've been counting days to get away, to see you again, see you again. Been finding ways to get away.
Alright, so we're at the nature trail now. Film for a little bit.
I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming, I'll be dreaming,
Wild turkeys.
I'll be dreaming, 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 I'll be dreaming.
Alright, so we made it to the beach part. Like, we finished the nature trail, which back there. Now we're at the beach. And I'm gonna get in my underwear because it's a little hot out. You good? Alright, make sure you subscribe for that. No, I missed the shot because I was getting ready to put my clothes, my pants on, and this dude walks by. He's like, "What'd you lose your pants?"
Adult? What was it?
Wait, see, Dad. Dad.
It'd be better if it had the